Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the app recorded inside the Workstatus. For that, come up to the side menu, click on Activity and then on Apps. You are landed to a screen giving you the following information. It tells you about the apps which are a name of the apps which is recorded via the desktop app running inside the users or your PC. Then it tells the project name. It gives you the time spent, the session and the productive type, which is neutral, productive and non-productive. The productive type can be done via a setting inside the Workstatus. Here it also gives you information about to filter the data via the project time spent, productive type, which is again productive or non-productive. You can apply the filter to get the desired data. From here you can click on the drop down to select the member name for which you want to see the data for. Here is the date range that you can select and you can see the selected data. Further on the screen you will be able to see the shortcut links to view the screenshot, timesheet, URL and attendance. These short links are associated with the same user on the same day. This was all about activity apps. Thank you.